welcome back to Gerard Cosmetics YouTube channel. I'm so excited to share with you guys today my tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys how to get perfect eyebrows using our Brow Bar to Go, and the shade I'm using is medium to ebony. To start with, I'm going to go ahead and use the lightest shade in the inner corner of my eyebrow, and then with the darkest shade I'm going to be transitioning towards the outside. Using my LA Maya angled brush, I'm going to be using that to create a line underneath my eyebrow and then brushing it upwards because I really like a feathered eyebrow. I'm not sure about you, but I'm all about the natural look. So go ahead and grab a compact mirror. I'm going to be using our LA Maya angled brush, and I'm going to be starting in the inner corner of my eyebrow and then slowly transitioning downwards. My eyebrows are extremely sparse, so we want to fill in the gaps. As you can see, I'm like missing hair right in this area. I'm going to be using my Shape Tape concealer and a flat brush like this just to clean out the edges. You see the difference? This eyebrow looks extremely sharp underneath and nice and clean, and then that's this one. It needs a lot of work. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial as much as I did filming it for you guys. See you guys next time.